my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Sure to Please Recipes. So I already showed you how to make chicken curry powder and fish curry powder all in one. You don't have to struggle when you're cooking. Everything is there. You just have to add few spoons from the curry powder and you're good to go. So today I'm going to show you how to make the pork curry powder. This is also another unique flavorful recipe. Let's see how I'm putting everything together today. Just went to groceries and bought all the spices I need for my spice ground. I let my coriander and lemongrass and also my curry leaves to air dry for a few days before I start grinding. Okay, please don't forget it and share with your friends and family. Leave comments, give thumbs up, or if you don't like the recipes, just feel free to say however whatever you like. And also, if you have any special requests for some recipes, just give me a shout. I will try my best to come up with the recipes. And I love various different cultural food, so I always love to cook those recipes. So thank you so much again. Let's continue. This is my all-in-one pork curry powder. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. This GARCINIA powder you always can buy online or some Asian groceries also they are carrying it. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody. Hit the bell icon, the subscribe button somewhere on here.